I want to start making more movies.
So I don't know if I'm going to be allowed to film inside the cat cafe, but we are on an adventure to go to a cat cafe named Love Neko. So here we go. Downtown Sapporo, going to a cat cafe on a Sunday. Here we're coming up with one of my worst enemies, the crows. I love animals, but this is the one. Well, maybe ferrets too, but I can't stand these guys. I hate ferrets. I made a mistake. I said I hate ferrets. I don't hate ferrets, I hate possums. Ferrets are... Look at that jerk.
Yes, we're gonna get...
Oh, gross. We think we have found the building where the cat cafe is located. It happens to be the same building as Pirates Carnival, the dining establishment to which I would like to go.
I don't know. It's on floor 5. So are you in someone's house? We found it.
Yeah.
We found it. Here we go, you guys.
Cat cafe! Here is one of the scary Japanese elevators that are tiny. Tiny.
Money to
Tiny. I'll have to cramp it and make it look small.
I don't have that much money. If it's more expensive, I'm gonna have to borrow some. I do have like 1,000.
I have 1,000.
I have loads of cash,
Oh.
JK. This is really sketch. This is really sketch. If I die going to a cat cafe, I'm not really sure how I feel about that, honestly. But... Okay, does it say anything about cameras?
So don't do hating cat behavior.
No hating cats. No hating cats in this environment. If you hate cats, you are not welcome. Here we go.
That's so weird.
This is quaint.
I heard that.
Oh my god, how many people are here? I don't know. How many people are at the cat cafe?
Just like go there.
What? This is cool.
I don't know. You're ridiculous with your shoes.
That's so creepy.
What's wrong?
I'm here to make an
Mcgonagall.
order for someone. Cool. Creepy and cool.
店内禁煙となります。食べかけたりするのは絶対にやめてください。抱っこはあんまり好きじゃないので無理にしないでください。高いところにいる猫は落ちちゃうので猫じゃらしとかでじゃらさないでください。猫による怪我やお荷物の破損にもご注意をお願いいたします。写真撮影はフラッシュです。料金は帰るときにいただきます。お時間が30分480円か1時間で飲み物のついた1000円のコースがございます。どちらになさいますか？
What should we do?
I
1
think
hour
we
with a
should
drink.
do
We can stay with
Yeah.
with cats for an hour.
1時間ですね。途中で短くすることできないので申し訳ないですがご了承お願いします。はい。では準備しますので後ろにあります洗面台で手洗いお願いいたします。
はい。
荷物はロッカーに入れてください。
Hi. We have to wash our hands before going in to see the cats. Cafe. Cat cafe. I'm so happy. Cat cafe. What the heck? It doesn't work.
Yes, it does. Turn it off, but
I turned it all the way. Oh, there we go. Toilet.
こちらに出てきてください。こちらお持ちになって店内。はい、どうぞ。飲み物のメニューが店内にありますので、お好きな時にご注文お願いします。